Camila Reyes built her own real estate agency after a decade of working for someone else. A small team, a few desks, and a website where buyers and sellers first reached out about the biggest purchase of their lives. Like every agency, her site had the usual tools bolted on. A home valuation form, a contact box where buyers typed their budget, analytics, and a tool that quietly recorded how visitors moved through the listings. She never once thought about what any of it was doing. The letter came by email on an ordinary Thursday, sitting between a closing update and a new lead. Dear Mrs. Reyes, our client visited your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: a valuation form that copied what visitors typed, their address, their budget, their finances, to a third party, a live chat box that shared its messages, advertising pixels that handed it all to Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $31,600 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Camila did not believe it. It was just a normal agency website like everyone had. So she ran a scan of her own site and she watched it happen. The moment her valuation page loaded, before a single visitor clicked accept, 17 trackers fired. And one of them was recording every keystroke on her lead form. People typing their home address, how much they could afford, their reasons for selling, and a script quietly copying all of it to a stranger's server. She sat back cold. She had built her name on being the person families trusted with the biggest decision of their lives. And her own website had been handing their finances to companies she had never heard of every day before anyone said yes. The attorney she called was honest with her. This kind of letter does not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree these cases hold up. It only has to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $31,600. That was 2 commissions she had not even earned yet. It was the marketing budget for the whole spring. It was a punch straight to the gut, but sitting there, Camila realized the panic had a cure. She could see exactly what her site sent and when, the very thing they had scanned. She did not have to guess. She could walk into this knowing what was actually true. Camila had helped hundreds of families find a place to feel safe. And the thing that nearly undid her was invisible, running quietly on her own website every single day. Right up until the moment she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information